The Monetary Fund has slapped 11 new conditions on the Pakistan for the release of the next tranche of its bailout program and warned that the tension with India could also heighten risk to the scheme's fiscal, external and the reform goals, according to the media reports on Sunday. Also, the new condition imposed on the Pakistan include the parliamentary approval of the new rupees 17.6 trillion budget, an increase in the debt servicing surcharge on the electricity bill, and lifting restriction on the import of more than 3-year-old used cars. Also, the Express Tribune newspaper said that the staff level report which the IMF released on the Saturday has also said that the rising tensions between the India and the Pakistan, if sustained or deteriorate further, could also heighten the risk to the fiscal, external and the reform goals of the program. Also, the report further stated that the tensions between Pakistan and India have risen significantly over the past 2 weeks, but so far the market reaction has been modest, with the stock market retaining most of its recent gains and spreads widening moderately. The IMF report has shown the defense budget for the next fiscal year at rupees 2,404 trillion, which is higher by rupees 252 billion or 12%. Compared to the IMF projection, the government has indicated allocating rupees 2.5 trillion, or that is 18% higher budget after the confrontation with India early this month. India carried out precision strikes under the Operation Sindoor on the terror infrastructure early on the May 7 in response to the April 22 Pahalgam terror attack that killed 26 people. Following the Indian action, the Pakistan attempted to attack the Indian military based on the May 8th, 9th and the 10th. Also, India and Pakistan reached an understanding on May 10 to end the conflict after 4 days of intense cross-border drones and the missile strikes. The Express Tribune report said that the IMF slapped 11 more conditions on the Pakistan, taking the total conditions to now 50. It has also imposed the new condition of securing the parliamentary approval of the fiscal year 2026 budget in line with the IMF staff agreement to meet. The program targets by the end of the June 2025. The IMF report has also shown the total size of the federal budget at rupees 17.6 trillion, including rupees 1.07 trillion for the development spending.